Hi, my name is Chloe and welcome to my PYPx presentation. Imagine we don't have energy in our houses. But why we don't use solar panels? Of, of first, the introduction to my topic. I focus on SDG 7, affordable and clean energy. Line acquiring 1. What type of non-renewable and renewable energy? Oil, coal, gas, they are made from factories. The earth crust. That's why they're called fossil fuels. I found that fossil fuels can also be used for makeup. Where do we get our electricity from? Here's an example how does India use mostly coal. Did you know that both air and sun can give energy? How does solar panels work? The sunlight hits the solar panel from the sun because the electricity came energy that's on earth. Solar energy was almost discovered 200 years ago, and solar panels can last 30 years. Sunlight travels millions of kilometers to earth in 10 minutes, and it's because light is free. Solar energy is free. Here are some ways to save energy that I learned. Let's put more solar panels. Second, what are the effects of fossil fuels? Fossil fuels are expensive because they are made from factories and cost lots to transport. And even fossil fuels are more for energy than other types of fossil fuels are not renewable. That means we'll run out someday. What are the effects using fossil fuels? It's bad for the environment. Fossil fuels can affect climate change and global warming. Its rate of warming since 1981 is more than twice as fast. Here's an Here can you see the ice is breaking because it's too hot. Also the ground from the earth is too dry. In some places, why is it bad? Because we can fall into the holes, but also more importantly, you cannot grow food in the dry soil. My turn final line inquiry is how many solar panels would you need in a neighborhood needs? We need solar panels. In Indonesia, I found 8 solar panels on the toll road. And in Singapore, I found a whole solar panel in the hockey center and Changi Airport. In Korea, I found 24 solar panels on road. People is using solar panels more than now than before. How much electricity does a house need? For an average house, it's 50 square feet, and what is 40 square meters. 50 to 80 solar panels are needed in a house, a neighborhood. What? Let's compare. Fossil fuels will run out. Solar energy for panels will always be there because the sun will always come out. Fossil fuels are bad. My action. I did accuracy for my PYPx. My idea was I decided to teach the PK about solar energy. I brought a DIY custom solar panel house. Me and the pre-K compared the school lights to beca- to solar panels because we need to pay for lots of electricity here. And solar panels we don't need to pay because it's powered by the sun. I'm glad that we decided to present to the pre-K because we never taught anyone before. At first, I planned that we could the pre-K make a poster, but we didn't end up doing it because didn't have lots of time. So I promoted by talking to Miss Reed about teaching the pre-Ks. And even though it was only the pre-K, I still made a poster. I embarrassed myself 2 times because I missed the lesson. Luckily, the third time I was able to remember.
If you want, you have all of your houses.
I wanted
Your
to do an activity,
family
but I only had one period. Honestly,
that's why we
it
need
was
solar panels.
pretty scary
So the
to
sun hits the
teach
solar panels and
for
puts energy
the
in your
first
house.
time. Thanks for Miss Ree. Supporting thank you. Supporting me and Mikado. Thank you to support SGD number 7, affordable and clean energy. Finally, thank you for listening. I'm happy to take any questions from the audience. I will do my best to answer. Who would like to go first?